The old school phone book may be dead, but local directory listings are still alive and well, and they're key for your business's online presence. Hi, I'm Judd. Welcome back to Local Marketing Insights with Local Leap. Local directory listings in places like Google My Business, Yelp, or yellowpages.com function like an online profile where users can find your business name, address, contact info, and more. Statistics show that a whopping 81% of shoppers search online before visiting a store. One of the best ways to increase the chances of customers finding your business online is by getting listed in local directories like these. Here are 3 ways local directory listings can be a hugely beneficial tool in your local SEO tool belt. Number 1, SEO benefits. These directory sites have what we call significant domain authority. So having your business listed in multiple local directories increases not only your search engine visibility, but also your brand credibility. Essentially, it signals search engines like Google or Bing that your business is trusted and legitimate. The impact of that trust trickles down to your customers, leading to more visitors and more website traffic. Number 2, more phone calls. When people need information about a business, they look for it online, and local directory listings make it easier for them to find what they're looking for. Did you know that when someone finds your business listing through a mobile search, they're actually more likely to dial your number than visit your website? It's so easy and convenient for customers to call you when they find your number online. And when they're calling you, you're halfway to getting new customers. If this video is a help to you, please take a second to hit that like button. And if you have questions about local marketing, we would love to help. Put them in the comments. Benefit number 3 of local directory listings: improved brand reputation. When your business isn't listed online, it doesn't look good to potential customers. In fact, it can cause you to appear untrustworthy. Even if a potential customer has heard of your company, they'll most likely reach out to a listed competitor. Simply being listed in local directories can go a long way toward boosting your company's reputation. Local business listings also provide a platform for customer reviews, which are crucial for your reputation. And if you're good at what you do, and I know you are, and your directory information is relevant and up to date, you can expect the positive reviews to roll in. Elevating your digital marketing by getting your business into local directory listings is really easy. Of course, to benefit from it, you have to make sure your listings on every directory site are correct and consistent. Claiming and correcting all this information can take up a lot of your valuable time. But Local Leap is here to help you verify your business information and fix your listings wherever they appear. Contact us today at localleap.com to find out how we can elevate your business to the next level. Thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on local marketing insights. I'll see you next time.